Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another car interior quality check. I feel like I haven't done a whole lot of Mazdas on the channel. I think I only have one other car if I'm not mistaken, but we are going to fix that today by checking out this one here. Before I get in, I just wanted to let you know, this is kind of out of the blue, kind of random. I think the door handle feels a little bit cheap. Take a listen to this. It's got like a hollowness to it. Doesn't feel great. Just wanted to share that with you. And then I noticed the previous owner put some kind of carbon fiber sticker on here, but it's coming apart already. I wonder if the previous owner used to work for Mercedes-Benz. Anyway, let's see how the interior does on this car. Let's check out the front. Interesting, this material is somewhat soft, but the same look back here is hard. There's a little bit of a consistency issue here. Oh, here's another one. This is soft, and this is hard plastic. They look the same, but they are different materials. Interesting choice. Let's do the button test. Actually, now let's do the button test. and the final button. Alright guys, how did it do? Well, interesting results, at least as far as the materials go. The squeaks, it didn't squeak all that much, except for kind of this area with the this kind of gloss finish to it. Extremely squeaky. The rest of it was kind of meh, not really solid, not really that squeaky either. The overhead console was okay. I do not like the center console lid here. This moves just a bit too much for my liking. So, not as bad as Ben's though. Honestly, it's not like loud, obnoxious squeaks, except for those 1 or 2 points here on the door. But at least those are somewhat consistent. I'll give it a 6 out of 10 for fit and finish, which is not horrible, honestly. As far as materials go, interesting little mixed bag we have going on here. A lot of the hard plastics they use in this car are terrible, but then the soft materials that they use are actually not too bad. Hard plastic kind of, well, it's got a softer texture than the hard plastic back here. Kind of an interesting divide right here where this is soft and this is rock hard. Kind of typical of cars in this class. Everything kind of below the belt line is a bit hard. Like this part here on the glove box, all hard plastic, and then when you get up higher, it becomes softer. And I do like some of the stitching they put in the car. I mean, it looks all right. This material, at least on the outer side, is extremely soft. But then when you go up here, rock hard. I don't know why they decided to do that. The buttons don't do a ton for me. Some of this like surround gloss plastic here, it feels pretty cheap. Yeah, buttons aren't that special. The knobs are okay though. I like the little knurling on the side here. That's cool. Cup holder area is a little bit cheap. I believe they do use leather seats in this one, so this has actually got a decent feel to it. Actually, it feels kind of like a leather wallet almost. I like that, and I like the two-tone interior where it's black and this kind of cream color. I do like the color combo quite a bit. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10 for materials, only because the plastics are quite nasty in here. The rest of the soft stuff though it's okay. I guess I would say that's average. So there you go. 6 out of 10 for fit and finish, 5 out of 10 for materials. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, I'll catch you next video. Peace.